Assalamu alaikum everybody. In today's video I'm gonna answer all your questions that you have asked me related to the call center. I have picked some of the questions which have been frequently asked me. So let's just start with the questions. A lot of you have been asking me about the introduction that some of you have been asking me that, sir, whenever we talk to the customer, they just hang up on us on the intro. They do not want to talk to us, and how to just grab the customer in the start of the conversation. Well, for that purpose, I'm gonna give you a few tips. First of all, you need to be highly energetic. Secondly, you need to be highly motivated. Self-motivation is very, very important in call center, and your energy does matter a lot. Work on your script. Whatever script is given to you by the call center, work on it. Make a flow on it. Work on the delivery of your words, the delivery of your speech, how you deliver your thoughts, your words, your ideas. Work on that. And sound as if you are making understand the customer, not as if you are reading anything from script. Some of you talk very fast. Do not talk fast. Speak slow but loudly, because a lot of the customer on Medicare and final expense are old age customer. They are on Medicare, they are 65 above. On final expense, they are at least 40 or 45 above. So you need to talk to them in a very decent way, very politely and slow, but speak louder. Then we have another question. A lot of you have been asking me how to improve accent. Well, accent doesn't matter, but you just need to improve your pronunciation. Learn how to pronounce the words which are in your script. So learn how to pronounce the words. Whatever script is given to you by the call center, try to improve your pronunciation. Google every single word of your script in order to learn the correct pronunciation. And as far as the accent is concerned, you need to spend some time in the call center. It may take you around 6 months to 1 year in order to make an accent that would at least sound a bit of professional. Or, well, as far as the native accent is concerned, it will take you a lot of time. Even I've been working for 2 years and now, but still I don't have any accent. But at least correct your pronunciation, improve your pronunciation. That will help you a lot. Work on your English as much as possible. Improve your English. Learn some local expressions. Try to adopt those local expressions that are used by the Native Americans, and try to learn those sentences which are used by the Native American, those expressions which are used by the Native American. That will help you improve your accent in your English a lot. Then we have the third question about the rebuttals. Well, whatever rebuttals are given to you by the call center, try to work on those rebuttals. Try to use your rebuttal on the right times. Sometimes you use your rebuttal in the wrong way. You should know that rebuttal should be used according to the situation. You can also make your own rebuttals, but that should be situational rebuttals. So in order to learn rebuttals or all these types, you need to improve your English. English does matter a lot. As long as you are good at English, then you can convert a lot of customers. And secondly, you don't need to worry about every single call. Every single call is not a lead. That would be DNC customer, that would be abusive customer, that would be aggressive customer, that would be customer which do not qualify, that would be busy customers. So you need to just focus on those customers who give their time to you, who talk to you, who listen to you. So somebody who listens to you, you should try your hard to convert them into lead. Then some of you have been asking me about the script. I don't use any script because when I was an agent, when I was a CSR, I used to have a specific script which we were supposed to follow. That script. That script was basically that this call is about the Medicare Part C and D, where you can get additional benefits like your dental, vision, and hearing coverage for your medicine, transportation, and along with that, you can get qualified for the cashback. So you just need to understand that what is this all about. If you know what is Medicare Advantage Plan, then you can make your own script. Whatever script works for you, follow that script. But make sure not to misguide the customer, as that won't give you any lead if you misguide the customer. Remember that. Then some of you asking me which campaign is good. Well, I have worked on solar campaign. I have worked on Final expense, I have worked on Medicare. I've been working on Medicare for the past 14 months. Recently, I'm giving training on Medicare campaign. It's pretty easy when it comes to Medicare, but final expense is pretty hard, and solar is not out very difficult. You cannot get a lot of leads just like you can get on Medicare. So Medicare is pretty easy. And as far as the enrollment is concerned, which starts from the 15th of October till the 7th of December, you can get a lot of leads. You can get a decent amount of money if you are working with a good call center. Then, on final expense, you can get leads throughout the year. There is no specific enrollment for that. So you can get leads if you are working with well reputed call center that has reputation, that has good data, and that has good clients. Obviously, then you will be able to get leads. Some of you ask me that how to generate the need of the customer on Medicare. Well, on Medicare campaign, it is pretty easy. You talk to the customer, tell them about the benefits like the dental, vision, and hearing. Along with that, tell them about the money back and the other benefits like the over-the-counter benefits, the dentures, eyeglasses, hearing aids, and stuff like that. You can tell them about the gym membership, or you can tell them about the food stamp, grocery, and stuff like that. Still, if the customer is not interested, ask them about their need, what they are looking for. Ask them if they are paying any copays for their specialist, for their regular doctor. Ask them about their monthly premium, which they pay for the supplement. Then do comparison for them. Tell them that if you want to go for the Medicare Advantage, you don't need to worry about the monthly premium. You don't have to pay those monthly premiums. So I mean to say, expand your knowledge about the product. The more you have knowledge about the product, the more you have chances to convert leads. Then some of you have been asking me about the sites which people use, which I use for getting the information of the customer. Well, I don't usually use any sites to get the information of the customer. Well, I believe that if somebody is not willing to give you their information, they would not give you any leads. So try to make your customer feel comfortable. Try to put yourself in their position. Would you like to talk to the person who is calling you? Try to be very professional, be very polite. Do not misguide your customers. They will give you their information, and if still somebody is not willing to give you the information, they will never ever give you this. So don't worry about that. There should be a proper way of asking the customer about their information. Tell them that you need their information like their first name, last name, zip code, age, etc., in order to fill a form for the license agent, so the license agent knows who he is talking to and what the customer needs. Is that way the license agent would be able to assess the customer in the right way. You gotta make your customer understand what is this all about, how does it work. If you find my video helpful, like it, share it, and do subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.